Morning YouTube, Skidder here. Well, I was on my way to film some sensuous jibs. And ran into a problem. Truck's fucked up. So today I'm going to show you how to change the front CV axle on this beautiful 2006 2500 Chevy extended cab, custom back rack, custom exhaust, custom headlights, custom taillights, electric seats, heated seats, reclining seats, electric mirror, lamps, and four-wheel drive. Oh, she's rolling. Hold her tight, Jackie. Now, normally folks like to take off these cap and then these lug nuts, but you know, I just ain't no wussy, so I'm gonna rip this sucker clean off. Oh yeah, baby. See this cap? Take it off. See this nut? Take it off. See these bolts? Take them off. Next, go to Fisher, because you ain't got the right shit for the job. Well, that was kind of a pain, but nothing the old Skidder can't handle. Yes, sir. Gonna need a hammer for this one. Sway bars in the way. What an asshole. Thing's fucked. Listen to that. Got the old one out. Time to get rid of it. Put the new one on. Well, I'll be a son of a blue band skidder. 60 foot-pounds. Tighten the nut back on. Oh yeah. All buttoned up. Let's go jib guy. Well, truck's fixed. Found the band.
Get my trusty steed here. And we roll. We roll.
I should have been a cowboy. I should have learned to road ride. Wearing my 6-shoe, riding my pony on the cabin drive. Stealing a young girl's heart, just like Gene and Roy, singing those campfire songs. Oh, I should have been a cowboy.